Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to be doing a cheeky little elf. And these are the products I'm going to be using. Let's go. So my base colour is going to be Peppermint from the Urban Graffiti range. And here I'm just applying my first layer. And remember to cap that free edge. I'm popping in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to do a second coat now, even though it doesn't need it. And cap that free edge and back in the lamp. So before I continue with the other colours, I'm using the gel residue wipe off solution to take off that tacky layer. I'm going to start painting his face with the Urban Graffiti bottoms up. So I'm just filling in his face here, and then I'm going to start on his ear, and he definitely looks like Dobby. Then I'm going to pop him under the lamp for 30 seconds. Using Snow White, I'm going to start painting his hat. I'm only painting the stripes because I'm going to go in with another colour in a little bit. Then I pop him back under the lamp for another 30. And this is Dorothy's slippers from the glitter collection. Now I'm going to fill in between the white. Then I pop him back under the lamp. Then using Urban Graffiti's Hera, I've loaded my brush up and I start painting his hat. And I pop him back under the lamp. I'm just cleaning off my brush with the gel residue wipe off solution. So I'm using Serious Black to do the outlines. This just makes him stand out from the background a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in and do his features. Nice big round nose, eyes, and a cheeky smile. And I pop him back in the lamp. I'm going to go in with the top coat and seal that design. And he's going in for his final cure. And here's my final design, a cheeky little elf. And I've hoped you enjoyed this video, and it's a simple design you can do at home or at salon speed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!